If you are looking to buy a two-bedroom home in Madison, Mississippi, I have some news for you. You can't. Well, technically you can, but the odds are overwhelmingly against you. Let me give you a little insider stat that will probably blow your mind. In the entire last 12 months across our entire market, exactly 11 two-bedroom properties were sold. That's it in one whole year. So make sure you stay tuned to the end for a walkthrough of a two-bedroom condo. As a broker, I get phone calls every week. Buyers telling me that, hey Donna, I want to downsize. We love Madison. We just want something small, maybe a nice little two-bedroom, two-bath house. And every single time I have to break it to them that they just don't exist. So why is the inventory pretty much zero when it comes to two-bedroom homes? Well, it really comes down to how Madison was built. The city was intentionally engineered with one specific demographic in mind: families. So decades of development focused purely on high-end, heavily residential neighborhoods. When developers broke ground here, they weren't thinking about downsizers or single professionals. They were thinking about 3, 4, and 5-bedroom traditional estates because that's what families want. If you're an empty nester looking to scale back square footage but keep that Madison zip code, you're completely boxed out of the traditional single-family housing market here. They simply just didn't build them. But there is a massive exception to that rule. If you want that two-bedroom footprint without leaving Madison, you have to look towards the water, specifically the 33,000-acre lake that we all know locally as the Reds, which you can kind of see through the window behind me. I'm in the town of Lost Rabbit today. They recognize the gap here in Lost Rabbit in this market, and in recent years, they've been building luxury condos. Now, let's be real, just because they are virtually the only upscale two-bedroom options pretty much in our area, they are highly exclusive and they can be a little pricey. But for the right buyer, they are worth every single penny. If you want to see what this lifestyle actually looks like, let me show you around my listing. This is a spectacular two-bedroom, two-bath luxury condo priced at $550,000. Let's check it out. Okay, so walking in the front door, open concept living, kitchen, industrial style ceilings and floors. There is a pantry tucked behind the kitchen here, a nice size walk-in pantry. Gas cooktop, range overhead, refrigerator, and then this is the view. Those balconies overlook the marina. I'll walk outside in just a second. There's a little eating nook over here. So through this hallway here, there's a little area which could be set up as an office. And then down the hall, the main bedroom, which is the larger of the two, here again with a great view and private balcony overlooking the marina. Plenty of room for a king-size bed, keeping the same floors and ceiling. Double vanity, separate soaking tub with a tiled shower and a water closet. And a nice size walk-in closet with custom built-ins. So heading back out down the hall towards the back of the unit, there is a small linen closet here on the left, and then a bathroom. So there's a door here or a door here, pocket door that goes to the second bedroom, which again is a generous size. This is a queen size bed, same floor and ceiling, and a private balcony looking out the rear of the condo. So here is the laundry room with ample storage, and we'll head back down the hallway and let's check out the views from the balcony like I promised, because again, this is a big part of these condos at Lost Rabbit. There are slips to rent. They rent for $350 a month with a 1-year lease. You can see it's nice and quiet and peaceful down here. Just below down here to the right is the Rabbit Hole, the general store, the Borough Fitness Club. Belladonna Spa is just down the way. The neighborhood pool is just beyond that red brick wall. It's a lovely day for boating. This This is the little area at the marina where they have neighborhood functions, and to the left is the Velveteen venue on the first floor of that building. So this condo isn't just a home, it's a total lifestyle shift. This is the true definition of lock and leave. No yard to mow, no roof to maintain, and zero stress when you want to travel. Plus, Lost Rabbit is the only truly walkable community with a town center in all of Madison. When you live here, you are literally just steps away from your boat at the marina, dinner at the Rabbit Hole, a workout at the Borough Fitness Club, or a relaxation day at Belladonna Spa. And your morning coffee at the general store. Honestly, what else do you even need? So if you've been searching for that unicorn 2-bedroom property that probably doesn't exist, but you're ready to see what luxury waterfront living looks like in Madison, hit the link in the description below to see the full property details, or just give me a call. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Could you trade that big suburban yard for a view like this? Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.